Alright folks, we did a micrometer earlier, so now we're going to do a set of dial calipers. They are 0 to 6 inch, so much like the mics, you can see there's a scale there. So the really big numbers are the inch markers. You see the 1 and the 2. In between that there are 9 hash marks. Each of those is 100 thousandths. So when you are in between, so we're in between 0 and 1. When you're in between the hash mark, your individual thousandths are going to be in this dial. So right now we didn't quite get to the 1. That would be 87 thousandths. You come on out, now we're at 400 thousandths, 410 thousandths. We're going to go to, okay, so here's the 1 inch. We're in between the 1 and the 1, so we're at 1 inch and 36 thousandths. So you use that scale that you read, and then you use the 100 thousandths dial to make up what's in between it. This does not read in tenths, this only reads in thousandths. You can see that by the incremental written on the dial there, 0.001. To give a little example, we will we'll just measure this tab here in our box. So I'm just going to snug onto it with the fine adjust here, that little thumb screw, without putting too much pressure. Again, like the mics, imagine you're putting this on your nipple. That's about the pressure you'd want to use. So we didn't quite make it to the 100 thousandths. This is only 73 thousandths thick. Now this top one that you see there, that is for an inside measurement, and then some will also have this depth indicator. That's for going into a hole and measuring it. Hopefully that is good enough. That's a Rice Krispie treat. I got the kids hanging out with me. So basically that is your quick tutorial on using the dial calipers. Thanks.